Hello everyone, I'm Amir from Adobe class. In the last class we learned how to work with the brushes, how to work with the brushes setting, and how to active our legacy brushes file. So you want to learn how to import new brushes that we download them from the many websites in the internet, and how to load them and how to import them in our Photoshop. So first, I said already, we can download Photoshop brushes in the Brush Lover website. Brush Lover's website. I already opened the Brush Lover website here, and we can see them here. It's a free brushes website, and if you want to buy many brushes, that we can buy them or we can download them free. It depends on our work. For example, when we needed some specialty brushes, we can find them in the free websites, and we have to buy them. So anyway, we have many brushes, free brushes here, and we can download them. And if everyone we click on them, they have many the same brushes here. But we have to attention, they are not brushes. They are a style, gradient, pattern. They are different, and we will talk about them in the next lessons. So for example, these trees, they are brushes, and now I'm click on them. And when I'm click on the download, free download here, I can download it, and when we download it, we have to extract it on another file, and we will learn how to extract it in our computer. For example, let me to minimize them and my Photoshop 2. I'm here and minimize this one and click on the extract file. For example, I'm choosing my file that I want to be here, and now guys, I extract my file into my best position for my upload brushes, and now guys, I extract my file in the one another file. So coming here, we have to extract any file, guys. When we want to load it, it doesn't matter, it could be a gradient brushes, we have to extract them, and after that we can use them. And here, if I'm click on these two tabs that I already active them in the last lesson, when I click on the window and click on the brushes and brushes setting, they will be active for me. So if I'm coming here, coming on the brushes, not brushes setting, and click on the 3 line or 4 line or more, I don't know, it's my menu from our brushes. If I'm click on it and click on the import brushes, we have some brushes here that I already download them, and every brushes that we extract, it's like this. It's right brushes, and in the last of our sentence, it's ABR. So I'm click on the trees ABR brushes and click on the load, and trees brushes will be load for me, and I can use it. And when I open it, I can see exactly seven brushes about the trees. We can see them very well, trees here. If I'm clicking the here and make spacing very low, and we can see the tree here. And for example, I can use them like this. And for example, if I'm changing color to the green a little bit and delete this, and again click it, I can work with it, and it's like this, and we can work with them like this, and we can download any brushes that we want from Brush Lover's website and load them like this in our Photoshop, and we can work with them. So let me to be on another one, like this tree. It's different actually. Yes, it's a bigger, and making more spacing to understanding better, and delete this one. And if my flow, it's on the 38. Some brushes have a default setting, and we can change them or we can't. It depends on our moral to what depends on our work, actually, not moral, to what we want to do. So it's brushes that we can use them and we can work with them, and we learned how to work with the setting in the last lesson, and for example, how to change them. And for example, I can load another brushes that I already downloaded. So let me to be and close this one. And if we click on them and click on the spin here, we can delete them. Any brushes that we don't need it. So I'm click on the 3 line or 4 line or more here and click on the import brushes and waiting. And for example, like this one, another one, click on it. This one will be active for me. I already downloaded. I don't know which websites. I don't remember very well. And they are very big actually. And they are for spraying. I remember now. They are for spraying color on the text or anything that we could use them like this. They are spraying like they work like a spray. And for example, we can work with the flow or like this, and for example, making some arts here, and it depends on our work and our taste more to how to use our brushes. For example, another brushes, they are very big actually, so I have to change the size, not very much, but like this. And I can work with them, like me to flow beyond the 100%. And they're doing this actually for me. Let me do my opacity. I said some brushes have a default setting and we have to change them, and we have to attention about these subjects. And just like this, we can import and work with them. We have something here. Let me to be on the add another one. Let me click on the my menu and click on the import brushes and import another one. I think I had the one cloud here. I can see them now. I think I deleted. Anyway, and here it's another one. It's like a, I don't know what it's like. It should be very big, and it can do this for us, and we can make some background with this pictures, and it's doing this for us, guys. It depends on our work. And we have many brushes in the brush lover website. I don't know why I always saying wrong this. And we can download them and use them, and it's very useful for us. So, and we can work with them, and we learned how to setting and manage them in the last lesson and in the previous lesson, and we can work with them. So, thanks for watching until now. Really, it was a very short lesson about how to import our brushes. Please watch the last lesson to understand better the lessons that we work on. So, thanks for watching.